I'm gonna get some little seasoning from the Plantation Herbarium to add to our stuffing, because we're gonna stuff our flowers. So this is rosemary from the fantastic Plantastic, and I'm gonna use some lovage. I'll have to get inside to get the lovage. Lovage is a lovely fragrant seasoning. You can use that instead of Maggi cubes. I'm going to get some of the younger fresh growth, what the foxes probably haven't touched, these lovely fresh ones, and I'm going to get a little piece of seasoning thyme as well from our lovely herbarium, and we're going to make a lovely little filling and batter these and fry them, and try a few different ones as well.